It starts with a single thread of carbon and ends as a 1,000-horsepower masterpiece. The marriage of Italian soul and aerospace precision, power in every heartbeat.
Inside the world's most exclusive factory, perfection is the only standard. The legend is born.
This is the front line of human health. Stay tuned and subscribe for the full breakdown.
The soul of a supercar begins with carbon fiber, lighter than aluminum, but stronger than steel. Every millimeter is calculated by AI to ensure maximum strength with minimum weight. Master craftsmen hand layer the weave, ensuring zero imperfections in the chassis. Inside the autoclave, intense heat and pressure fuse the layers into a single, indestructible shell.
After hours of curing, the raw fabric has transformed into a high-performance monocoque.
Precision assembly ensures that every structural bolt is tightened to exact Newton-meter specs.
Alignment is verified down to the micron, ensuring the car tracks straight at 300 kilometers per hour. The nervous system of the supercar is integrated, connecting hundreds of sensors to the central brain.
Structural adhesives provide a bond stronger than welding, maintaining the car's extreme rigidity. Every surface is hand-prepped, ready for the first coat of automotive liquid art.
In a dust-free environment, the painting process begins with a specialized anti-corrosive primer.
Multi-layer paint application creates a depth of color that reflects light with crystalline clarity.
Heat curing bonds the pigment to the carbon fiber, creating a finish that can withstand the elements. The human eye is the final judge, searching for any imperfection invisible to machines.
Protected and pristine, the body is now ready to receive its powerful heart. 1,000 horsepower starts with individual components machined to aerospace tolerances. Hand-assembled by master technicians, each engine is a signed piece of mechanical history.
Before it ever burns fuel, the engine is tested for friction and compression using advanced diagnostics. The marriage of the heart and the body creates a unified machine of pure speed. Exhaust systems are tuned for a signature roar that defines the supercar's identity. Only the finest hides are selected, hand-inspected for grain consistency and texture.
Every stitch is a testament to decades of artisanal experience, where tradition meets technology.
Ergonomic racing seats are positioned for maximum control and driver comfort.
Advanced electronics are awakened, connecting the driver to the car's high-speed soul. The cabin is sealed, a cocoon of luxury within a beast of performance.
Precision fluids are the lifeblood of the supercar, engineered for extreme thermal stability.
Stopping power is as critical as speed, provided by aerospace-grade carbon ceramic brakes.
For the first time, the machine stands on its own 4 wheels, ready to move. The first breath of the V12, a signature sound that signals the birth of a legend. Dynamic testing verifies that every horsepower is delivered smoothly through the drivetrain. Active aerodynamics are calibrated to provide maximum downforce at high velocities. Weatherproofing tests simulate extreme monsoons to ensure the cabin remains a sanctuary.
Adaptive LED systems are tuned to pierce the darkest nights with surgical precision.
Logistics automation ensures the factory floor remains a masterpiece of efficiency.
The final polish brings out the depth of the paint, turning metal into a mirror. The engine is not just a pump, it is the visual centerpiece of the vehicle's design. Every detail, down to the tire wall, is curated to meet the brand's aesthetic standards. Documentation of excellence follows every vehicle as it prepares to meet its owner. Absolute perfection is the only acceptable result before the car leaves the hall. Consistency is king. Panel gaps are measured to the 1/10 of a millimeter across the entire body.
Front hood clear. Rear trunk verif here.
Internal fluids are analyzed in the lab to ensure zero contamination during the build process. Stress testing ensures the interior remains silent, even under the harshest driving conditions. The final dynamic test confirms that the car performs exactly as the engineers intended. Digital fine-tuning provides the final touch to the car's complex operating system. Protected like a work of art, the car is prepared for its journey across the globe. In the storage sanctuary, each machine waits for the call to the open road. White glove delivery ensures the product arrives in the same pristine condition it left the line.
And this is how modern factories produce Lamborghini supercar from start to finish.
A symphony of engineering delivered. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.